Stuck without Wi-Fi for your phone or tablet? Turn your Windows 11 computer into a hotspot and share your internet connection with ease. First, click on the Start menu icon located at the bottom center of your screen. Next, in the Start menu, find and click on the Settings icon. It looks like a gear. The Windows Settings window will open now. Click on Network and Internet, usually located on the left-hand side of the window. In the Network and Internet settings, scroll down and find the Mobile Hotspot option. Click on it. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see the Mobile Hotspot toggle. Click the toggle to turn it on. Now, you can see your network name and password displayed just below the toggle. These are automatically generated. You can edit them by clicking the Edit button if you prefer a custom name or password. To change the network name or password, click on Edit, then type in your desired name and password. Once you are done, click on Save. That's it. Other devices can now find your Wi-Fi hotspot using the network name and password you've set. Connect your phones and tablets. Enjoy your shared internet connection.